Here's a quick review on how to set up a two-page spread in Adobe InDesign 2024. And we're going to use this setup for both our following the grid assignment and our breaking the grid assignment. We'll go to the top pull-down menu options, click on InDesign, and then we're going to go to Preferences. Slide on over and come on down to Units and Increments. If it doesn't say this already, we're going to select picas, and this is a measurement used in the graphic design world. For stroke, meaning like lines, frames, we're going to use points as our measurement, and we can leave this stuff here the same. Then let's go to grids. It's the next option in preferences down below. And this will just help us, particularly for this assignment as we're following the grid. Let's say 1P or 1P0 for your horizontal grid. I've already typed mine in, so that's why it says this. And then let's go 1P or 1P0 for vertical. And let's say that our subdivisions are 1 and 1. So we're going to change whatever those default grid settings might be to 1P distance, and then 1 and 1. The default color for our grid is light gray. You can change it if you want to. Now we'll say OK. Now we can go to New File. We're not just going to create a one-page thing. We're going to create a spread. Now in picas, letter size will be 51p. So you'll change your measurement to picas. Height will be 66p. And then right here, we're going to have 2 pages, not 1. Click on Facing Pages. We're going to go with vertical orientation. And then we're going to start on page 2. Because if you recall, the very first page of a book, page 1, is just on its own. Page 2 and 3, when we turn the page or the paper, are 2 pieces of paper side by side. Let's say columns 1, column gutter 1p, and then we're going to make some changes in your margins. Just for these first 2 practice assignments, let's go with 3p space on the top, 1p on the inside near what they call the gutter. That's where the 2 pages come together. 3p on the bottom, 3p on the outside. Once all that's set, you can create your, and then you will see our pages 2 and 3. If you click on Pages over on the right-hand side, we can see our spread that is right here. And this would be the first spread or 2 facing pages in a book, publication, or magazine.